If you would like to see how I turn this into this, stay tuned.
No, no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from WowAfrican Hair. You can go check them out in my description box below. Everything about this hair will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. As y'all can see, that cap is not sitting well on my head, so I am going to go capless with this. Couldn't find no black stocking cap. I don't know where all my black stocking caps went. So that hairline is everything, but do y'all see how full this hair is? So to tame this fullness, to tame the kinkiness, I did decide to straighten her out. I didn't put too much heat on it. I believe I put my setting on 380 to 400 degrees. I repeat, I did not want to lose that textured look. So I was very careful when it came down to straightening this wig. I wanted to make sure the texture stayed put. So I decided to go makeupless today. When putting on this wig, don't get me wrong, I will put makeup on at the end so y'all can get the full effect. I just wanted to show you guys how the lace sat on a makeupless face. I'm going to hot comb just a little bit of the top so it can lay a little bit flatter. y'all, this Eben, I don't know how I'm pronouncing it, but I'm pretty sure y'all check me in the comments. But this tint spray, wow, I have been asleep. This makes putting on wigs so much easier. I decided to use their bonding spray as well. Y'all, when I tell you this hair was on my head for 2 days, lace did not move. Wow. Look at that, y'all. I have no makeup on. That lace tint is the bomb. And I do have to admit, putting on a wig with no makeup on in the beginning is way easier. Less anxiety from me hoping that I don't spill glue on my foundation, having it run down my face. Now my makeup messed up. So let me tell y'all how I feel about this wig. I really like that this wig was very full. The kinky texture was soft, very manageable. With her keeping her texture was very important when I added heat to her. The hair definitely maintains its texture. The hairline on this wig is amazing. It did not tangle. It did not shed. For my small head girls, and y'all get this wig, y'all purchase this wig, make sure you are taming her a little bit, because big hair on me, it is cute, but you know, I would like it to look flattering on my very small head. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I would like to shout out all my subscribers that are just getting to my page, that's been on my page, has been on my channel. I appreciate y'all for supporting my channel. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. I almost forgot. Putting my concealer up in that part, y'all. Almost. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, all that other good stuff, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.